Welcome to the fascinating world of web development. Today, we're embarking on a journey to unlock the secrets of becoming a top-notch web developer in 2024. This video is your ultimate guide and roadmap, packed to the brim with valuable information, whether you're just dipping your toes or ready to dive deep into the ocean of web development. First things first, let's demystify web development. In its purest essence, it's the art and science of creating websites and web applications. This process involves a blend of coding, designing, and ensuring the smooth operation of websites. All right, time to roll up those sleeves and dive into the prerequisites. The foundational trio of web development, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, are your first stop. If these terms seem a little daunting, fear not. They're the basics and will become your best friends as we break them down in our beginner-friendly tutorials. To gain practical experience, platforms like Codecademy, FreeCodeCamp, or W3 Schools are your go-to resources. They offer interactive lessons that cater to all skill levels, from beginners to seasoned coders. Now that you're comfortable with the basics, it's time to pick your path. Web development is a vast field with various specializations, including front-end, back-end, and full-stack development. Find the area that piques your interest the most and concentrate on sharpening your skills in that domain. As we step into 2024, getting a grip on popular frameworks and libraries is no longer optional. For front-end development, React or Vue.js should be on your radar. For the back-end, Node.js and Django are the way to go. Being proficient in these tools will set you apart in the ever-competitive world of web development. In the fast-paced tech world, staying current is the name of the game. Make it a habit to follow industry blogs, listen to coding podcasts, and engage with the vibrant developer community on platforms like GitHub and Stack Overflow. To make your mark and catch the eye of potential employers or clients, a robust portfolio is your golden ticket. Incorporate projects that not only highlight your skills, but also demonstrate your versatility in handling different technologies. This is your moment to shine and leave a lasting impression. To sum it up, becoming an exceptional web developer in 2024 is a journey that begins with a solid foundation, followed by choosing your path, mastering relevant frameworks, staying on top of the latest trends, and culminating with a compelling portfolio. This journey may have its ups and downs, but with dedication and the right resources, your goals in web development are well within your reach. Before we sign off, here's a nugget of wisdom. Practice consistently, welcome feedback, and never hesitate to ask questions. The web development community is incredibly supportive, so lean on it. Best of luck on your journey, and remember to hit that subscribe button for more enriching tutorials and tips. Happy coding, and until next time, Jai Hind.